lighting up the night. Gloria smiles with a heart shining bright. Here's love, laughter, carved in a name. A legacy tells her soul's burning flame. Through every season, through every storm, Gloria's warmth has kept us all warm. A life well lived with hands that build care. Her wisdom echoes in every breath of air. Ooh, happy birthday, Gloria, 70 and strong. Life is your anthem, we've been singing along. Here's to the stories that your years have spun. 70 years, but your glow just begun. There's a melody, sweet and divine, a song of the ages in rhythm and time. Every year, a gift wrapped in lessons you give, a heart that teaches how beautifully to live. To live with every sunrise, your spirit takes flight. Gloria, you shine like a star in the night.
Sinuklian din naman namin yon. Especially ako, masyadong matigas ang ulo ko, nag-iisang lalaki. Happy birthday!
Kapag kailangan mo kami, nandito lang kami. Salamat sa pag-ibigita mo.
Long patience since laging mainit yung ulo ni Nana.
70 years, but your glow just begun. Lighting up the night. Gloria smiles with a heart shining bright. Here's love, laughter, carved in a name. A legacy tells her soul's burning flame.
Here na once again po, nagpaka naman siya! Happy birthday, Mommy Gloria!
Wish ko sa'yo, ma, maging malakas ka pa, healthy, kumaba pa yung buhay mo, maabutan mo pa yung mga kapupuha mo sa tuhod. Yun, and iwas ka lang sa mga pagkain na makakasama sa'yo.
Yung wish ko na lang kay mama, good health syempre, tsaka masaya. Be always happy, tsaka iwasan yung stress.
Yung dahilan kung bakit lagi ako umuwi ng Pilipinas. At tsaka, alam mo yun, lahat ng gusto mong maibibigay ko basta maging masaya ka lang.
Karin ako, kami palakasan para sa atin lahat yun, ha?
Sa mga kaibigan ko, kamag-anak ko, kapatid ko, at lalong-lalo sa mga anak ko. Maraming salamat sa mga anak ko. Sa kanila ito, kung hindi sila, hindi ito nagaganap. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Happy birthday, Gloria, 70 and strong. Life is your anthem, we've been singing along. Here's to the stories that your years